What's up, guys? My name is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we're going to be doing something really simple and easy for you. I'm going to give you a summery, bronzy, glowing goddess tutorial. I have been doing a lot of these looks on my Instagram and Twitter pages, and they've been getting a really good response. So I figured it would be a great idea to come on and show you guys how I've been achieving this glow from within look. These looks are really easy to execute. Anybody with any level of skill can do them, and wherever you go, you'll be looking polished and beautiful. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. I'm going to start with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I've been using this lately and I really love it. So I'm filling in my brows with the Anastasia Brow Definer in the shade Ebony and carving it out with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Chestnut. So since we're not doing any bright eyeshadow look, I'm just going to be using the Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Caramel to prime my lids. Today for eyeshadow, I'm going to be pulling out the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I don't know why. It's probably the imagery on this, but I always just think of it as a summer palette. It's really cute. We're starting with Riff. I'm picking it up on this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to place that all over my lid. On that same brush, I'm going to pick up Baja, and we're going to bring it a little bit further down in the transition space. This is ABH's Fudge Single Shadow. I'm just going to take that on this fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that out into the outer V. Once I get it in the depth and the shape that I want it to go, I'm going to go back over with Baja and Riff to just blend everything out and together. For the lid, we are going to break out the Anastasia Beverly Hills pigment in the shade Desert and just put that right on the front of the lid. Look at that, so pretty. And that is without using any type of wetness, straight out the package. So I'm color correcting with the Black Radiance HD color corrector. I'm taking some of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in the shade Peach Fizz. I'm using this like a glow primer. It's just gonna give me a nice little glow underneath the foundation. We're going to cover this up with some foundation, and for that I'm going to be using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Caracas. And I am putting the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel right on top. These two products work very well together. The NARS foundation can really take any concealer, but I found that I just look so amazing when I use them together. For summertime glowage, I use a reddish contour. Usually contours are cool. I know we went over this before, but usually contours are cool, but if I'm trying to look glowy and bronzy, I'll use a reddish contour. So right now I'm using Suede Mocha by Black Opal. I'm gonna set everything with the Milk Makeup Blur and Set Powder. I'm pulling out the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty to just bring that warmth back to the face. I'm one of those people that contour and bronze, so I'm going to be using the NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette to just deepen my contour along my cheeks and up into my temple. I also really love orange blush in the summertime. I love it all the time, but especially in the summertime. So I'm just going to go in with the Peachy Love Trio by ABH to blush on my cheeks. So now I'm going under the lid to finish up the eyeshadow. And we're going to just do the reverse of what we did on top. I am putting on this Le Flare lash. The style is number SD35. I love these lashes because they're like really, they're natural-ish looking, but they're still 3D, so you still have the 3 layers to give you a little bit of drama, but not, you know, too much. So in order to achieve that perfect summer goddess glow, you need the right highlighter. I'm gonna be using the Nemay Beauty Sun Ray Illuminator in the shade Honey, which is just like this beautiful bronzy highlight. To make this highlighter pop, spray your face down with your favorite dewy setting spray and just pick up a tiny little bit as your face is drying. Last but not least, we're finishing off the list with the Fenty Stunner Paint in Unveiled and the Queen Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Sochi. I'm using the Fenty lipstick to line my lips, then the Queen Cosmetics will go on top of it. I love this combination. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is probably how I'll be going around most of the summer. Something like that's really nice and well put together, but it's not like doing too much, because as much as I love doing too much, sometimes it takes a long time. So if you want to do something that's really quick, really simple, but still really pretty and really glowy for the summertime, this is my favorite. The best thing about this look is that you can do it with almost any color as long as you're using warm tones and warm transition. You can do this eye look with so many different shades and still get this finished product. Another thing I love about this is that you can switch up the lips. So since the eyes are really neutral, you can go with the purple lip, you can go with a red lip, you can go with like a really bold lip if that's something that you wanted to do. If you like this video, make sure you tell me that below in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and when the subscription bar changes into a bell, click the bell so that you can be notified exactly when I upload and you can be part of the Glam fam. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you guys on my next video. Whew, Lord have mercy. Lordy, Lordy, Michael Jordy. Oh. Okay.